Alright, today we're taking a look at my latest pit kit creation. This is the Auto World Thunderjet Deluxe Pit Kit with the Willys panel gasser. You can see I cut mine down quite a bit. Added some roll bars. Have my channel name there on the back. Lowered the body and moved the front wheels in closer together to take a lot of that slop out that you usually have in the cars out of the package, and also shaved down the guide pin just a little bit and did some sanding on it so it goes around the track better. But all in all, I think it turned out really well, and let's take her around the track here and see how she does. Alright, here we go. See, the car's nice and quiet. Holds the track really well, even with all the turns that I have. So yeah, I think the handles well. I think the body turned out pretty good. And thanks for watching. And tune in for the next video.